Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn about the SAR tool, which is also part of the Systed package that we installed in our previous lessons. SAR generates reports on CPU, memory utilization, input, output, and other system statistics. To start, let's execute SAR. Let's scroll up. From the output you can see that SAR shows the kernel version, the host name, the date, the system architecture, and the number of CPUs. From the SAR report, as you may notice, the idle percentage drops down, and at the same time the system percentage or the CPU utilization shows a spike. When you see something like this, it indicates that there was a problem on the system at 7 a.m. or to be specific, 7:30 a.m. When you see something happened like that, you need to investigate what happened at that time. Let's check what other options we can use with SAR. To do so, I will execute SAR --help. And from the output, you can see that with -b capital, you will get paging statistics, and -b small, you will get input, output, and transfer rate statistics, and so on. If you want SAR to generate reports on all metrics it collects, you can execute SAR -a capital. SAR will generate a report about CPU, memory, storage, and all metrics it collects. Now let's check where the SAR log files or generated reports are stored. So let's execute ls var log then sa. So SAR keep its logs or reports under /var/log/sa. You will always find the file starting with SA followed by the day of the month. Let's execute the same command again and add the -l option to it. And as you can see, SA12 is for 12th of January, SA18 is for 18th of December. If you want to view a specific report by its date, you can execute SAR -f then the path to the file. So I will add /var/log/sa and let's select SA12 to show the report for the 12th of January. Now press enter, and as you can see it will print out the generated report for 12th of January. When working with SAR, it's advisable to generate reports for the metrics you are interested in. For example, SAR -r will show memory metrics. And it seems that I didn't provide the correct command, so I just added SAR -. So let's execute the command again, but this time with the R to get metrics about the memory. Now press enter. And as you can see from the output, you can get the memory free, the memory available, the memory used, and the memory utilization percentage. Now, if you want to generate a report on CPU, you can execute SAR -u. And from the output, you can see that you will get statistics or metrics about the user percentage, noise percentage, system percentage, and input-output weight percentage, and so on. To generate a report on input-output, execute SAR -b small. And from the output, you can see that you get metrics about transaction per second, read transaction per second, write transaction per second, and so on. You can also add multiple options like SAR -rub, which will generate a report about memory, CPU, and input-output metrics. SAR can help you detect and identify issues that occurred on the system so you can check logs and investigate what happened to fix any problem you see. By that, we get to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.